Hello dancers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yelena and this is Ballet for All. Today I have for you a point class for beginners. I'm gonna basically be guiding you through all of the exercises because it's a follow along video, so don't worry about it. We're only gonna need a bar, a kitchen bench, a counter, a chair, anything, a table, anything that you can use to hold yourself. Now I'm gonna be teaching you how to get on top of your point and go down in a correct way without jumping and avoiding extra movements. We are going to do that, and we also are going to learn to warm up our feet before getting into a harder class. But also at the end of this video I'm going to teach you how to do Sous-Sous in 5th position. So make sure to stay until the end. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to teach you is how to stand on your point and lower down. So we are going to do a demi point. We are going to lift our upper body and keep going super elongated, both foot together to point. Now to go down, notice what I'm doing with my upper body. I'm even going more elongated than ever and down. So that's it. We have to be the whole time really up and lifted and all the way down. So let's get to our first exercise. First exercise, we are going to do demi point, point, demi point, and down. Demi point, point, demi point, and down. We are going to do both together, up, both together, down. Both together, up, both together, down. We repeat that a second time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 relevé points. And we are going to cross one leg in front of the other one. And we are going to use the leg on the back to press and back. We're going to change. And that's it. That's going to be our first exercise. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi point, point, demi point, and change. Demi point, down, both together. Demi point, lift upper body, up, lower, down. One more time. Up, super tall, down, and repeat everything. 1, 2, 3, and change. 2, 2, 3, both together, and goes up. Engage core and glutes muscle. Yeah, so you can lift. Second time. And cross one leg in front of the other one. Be careful with this demi-plie. Change. And that's it, our first exercise. Exercise number 2. Okay, our next exercise, we are going to do continue relevé in parallel position. We are going to do 2 slow and 3 faster. Just listen to me and follow along. We are going to do, let's begin. Demi point, point, demi point, repeat. Demi point, point, demi point, plie. Directly to point and slow it down. Plie. Directly to point. And slowly one more time, and directly to point. Slowly down, and repeat. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, super tall, down. 2, 2, super tall, plie. Goes to the point, going through the demi point, and goes through the point. Through the demi point. Last time, point. And lower down. And now let's test our control, strength of ankles, and balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go forward, don't go backwards like me. Okay, our next exercise, we are going to do the same in first position. We are going to do tendu and second position, and repeat twice first and twice second. 5, 6, 7, 8, and slowly up, slowly both together. Demi, up, together, plie, and goes up, lower plie, goes up, lower plie, and goes up, lower plie, dandy, second position. Repeat everything. Glute and core muscle to lift your body to the toes, to your points. Plie, 3, plie, 2, plie, last time, 3, we are going to repeat everything. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, plie, goes up, 2, 3, plie, goes up, 2, 3, plie, goes up, 3, 2, plie, dandy, second position, no too big this second position, okay? And go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plie, goes up, 2, 3, plie, goes up, 2, 3, plie, goes up, 3, 2, plie, dandy, second position. Ooh. Okay dancers, so we are at the end of this video and I'm gonna teach you now how to do a Sous-Sous from 5th position. Imagine that you have a box of juice, a little one in your hands, and you like this juice that much that you're gonna absorb all of the juice and you're gonna squeeze that box with you, right in the center, right? That's exactly what you have to do with your legs. So your 2 feet are gonna meet in the middle, both are going to take in, and now both are going to slide down. I know it's really difficult, but try. Engage everything, super up, don't jump, go through the articulation of your foot. Goes up, and slide down, and goes up, and slide down. Okay dancers, thank you very much for joining me today in my point class for beginners. I believe that it's really instructive for you and educational, so I hope that you enjoy it. Now, if you want to do this Sous-Sous in a 5th position, make sure to come to the next class because we are going to actually use it in an exercise. Now, thank you very much for joining me and see you next time.